Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we dive into one of our premier trading indicators, the Bullish Pivot Pro. This indicator is designed for TradingView charts and will identify trade setups real time. Our focus is always education first, so please feel free to visit bullishboblive.com today and reach out with any questions. In this tutorial, we will cover real-time signals, multi-strategies built in, and how this indicator can be used on multiple time frames. We'll break down the user settings I use each day, specify entry and exit frameworks, and clarify how momentum setups differ from bounce setups. Some of the signals we will cover are the long trend signal, short trend signal, the BVT signal, and how the trend zone works. This will help our community better identify high-quality setups real time. All of our elite TradingView indicators are available through our website at bullishboblive.com. We offer live trading sessions Monday to Friday, premier trading indicators, and trader workshops as we aim to educate our community to make better informed decisions. To add this indicator to your chart, simply open TradingView, select Indicators and Strategies, select Invite-Only Scripts, and select the Bullish Pivot Pro. Once the indicator is selected, it will automatically add it to your TradingView chart. This indicator is designed around maximizing profit and mitigating risk by providing real-time signals. Each signal is backed by back-tested logic to better predict price action. This indicator is optimized for low-float momentum trading and bounce area detection. We can open up the user settings by double-clicking the indicator in the top left. This will open the user interface, which allows our community to change the logic and style of this indicator. Take some time to scroll through the user settings and adjust how you see fit. This indicator is optimized for smaller time frames such as the 10-second, 1-minute, and 5-minute charts. Today, we will cover the settings that I use every day when live trading. Our educational sessions let other traders dive into my strategy, entries, targets, and exit strategy for each trade. For the pivot period and the sensitivity, I set a value of 5. This will narrow down how many pivot alerts I get on the chart and will focus on higher quality pivots only. For the volume requirement, I keep this setting to 1,000 shares traded. This ensures that the signals are paired with volume. Feel free to adjust these settings for more or less alerts. Scroll down to the dynamic candle change options and select change candle color based on trend. This option will now dynamically change the color of the candle based on the current strategy trend. If the strategy is bullish, the candles are colored green. If the strategy is bearish, the candle colors are changed to red. This helps easily identify strategy direction and key breakout points real time. In the trend strength section, you can change the strategy preset to longer trend or quick trend. Longer trend option is more for trend traders and longer holds versus quick trend setting, which is more for scalping and quick trades. If you want more signals, go with the quick trend setting, or if you prefer less signals and more selective, go with the longer trend setting. I select the quick trend setting when trading the 1-minute time frame and adjust when using the 10-second time frame, which we will cover here shortly. After our settings are selected, we can hit OK to apply to the chart. Due to a layering issue in TradingView, we don't see the color changing candles properly. To fix this, select the 3 dots next to the indicator, select Visual Order, and select Bring to Front. This should now ensure that the candle color option remains visible always. We now have multiple chart signals that we can hover over, and a small tooltip will pop up explaining what the signal is. Each signal will identify long or short reversals real time and eliminate emotional decisions. Green tags are listed as long strategy and trend signals, while red tags are bearish short strategy and trend signals. When a green tag with an L appears, this means this is a long trend reversal. This signal happens when buyers step in and the price starts to reverse from a downtrend into now an uptrend. When the long trend signal occurs, the trend zone will turn blue or green. You can change the color of the trend zone in the user inputs. This trend zone will dynamically identify support and resistance on the fly. When the price retests the trend zone, it should hold as support. If the price fails support, a red signal will appear with an S signaling a downtrend reversal. The BVT signal is a bullish vertical trend, which is a red flag to our strategy. This signal means that the price is becoming extended and may need a breather soon after. If I am in the position already and I see this signal, I like to secure some or all of the profit. If not in the position and this signal appears, I can either adjust my size and stop level or avoid this trade altogether. When defining the entry signal, I look to pair volume with one of the bullish chart signals. If trading more trend bias, I consider long trades on 1-minute candles closing above the red resistance zone. The L signal on the chart identifies the entry candle, or I can wait for a pullback to the now support trend zone. To stick to a strict trade plan, I always set a stop loss, even mental, just below the current trend zone. This allows me to eliminate emotions and instead focus on consistency. As the price moves up, I secure profit and hold a smaller position for continuation. If I miss the first trend signal, I can either look for a pullback to the support trend for an entry or wait for a pivot zone to form. Once a pivot zone appears, I can wait for a 1-minute candle to close above the pivot zone paired with volume as my entry, or wait for a pullback to the pivot zone. Again, taking profit as the price moves up into new highs. If I'm looking to short the stock back down, I can look for a green to red candle change or a S short trend signal. This is a sign the stock is now reversing down. When shorting, I can keep my stop loss price just above the most recent pivot zone or just above the red resistance trend zone. This provides a clear area for stop losses and helps me stick to a consistent trade plan. When we see the BVT bullish vertical trend signals, this means the price is becoming extended, and I like to start securing profit. If I'm not in the position yet, I will either adjust my size or avoid this setup and watch for the next bullish long trend signal for entry. Remember, when trading low float stocks, risk mitigation is number one. Swinging for the fence on every trade is one way traders take unnecessary losses. In my experience, focusing on consistent results has always worked best. Analyzing this chart's price action signals, we can see that the candles broke out and closed above a pivot zone. When this happened, the candle color went green and the trend was in the long direction. This is a momentum setup, and I consider this to be higher quality. At the top of the move, another pivot zone formed, signaling an area of interest for momentum. For the momentum strategy built in, we now need the price to close above the most recent resistance pivot zone for continuation. If we see a trend signal reversal, but the candle color is still red, we consider this to be a bounce watch setup. Being a momentum trader who thrives on those quick squeeze plays, I can trade more aggressive on momentum strategy setups as I consider them to be higher quality. When trading a bounce watch setup, I will adjust my size and stop level or choose to avoid as I consider it to be lower quality. To be very clear though, a lower quality setup can still provide high quality results. However, it is less probable. With risk mitigation being number one, with low float stocks, I must assess conditions before entering a trade and adjust accordingly. The Pivot Pro indicator can be used on smaller time frames, such as the 10-second chart for fast scalping signals. Personally, I like to use the longer trend settings during the pre-market hours and quick trend settings when trading during the market hours after 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I like to have two charts up when day trading. Usually the 1-minute chart to determine trend and strength, then use the 10-second chart for quick entry and exit signals. This strategy takes time to master, but can be very rewarding if focus is on strategy, rules, and consistency. To easily set alerts for each signal, select the Create Alert option in TradingView. For the Condition option, select the Pivot Pro. Another option will appear, allowing you to set the alert on any chart condition you prefer. By setting these chart alerts, we can now focus on strategy over emotional decision-making. Users can set the signal to alert each candle, every minute, or only once. Best practice is to set alerts on pre-market gappers to find actionable signals each day. To recap, the Pivot Pro indicator is designed for momentum trading and bounce watch opportunities. This indicator is optimized when using smaller time frames such as the 1-minute, 5-minute, and 10-second charts. There are multiple strategies built into this indicator, both for trend trading and quick scalping. Momentum setups are considered higher quality, and bounce watch setups are considered lower quality. When trading lower quality setups, I will always adjust the size I take and my stop level, or avoid the trade altogether. To join our day trading educational community and gain full access to this premier indicator, visit bullishboblive.com. I am live trading Monday through Friday, covering my entry, exit, profit targets, and sharing information on stocks hitting our stock scanners. Our community is for traders that want to learn about day trading strategy and risk mitigation while navigating through the world of low float momentum. Please feel free to reach out with any questions, as a better informed trader has a better chance at success. Remember, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If you're serious about improving and want to learn directly from our live sessions, visit bullishboblive.com. We're live Monday to Friday, walking through setups, strategies, and everything in between. Thanks again for watching. Stay focused, stay sharp, and keep growing.